Hello, everyone. As we wrap up this year, we just want to say thank you for all the incredible support that you give to Ronald McDonald House all throughout the year. Your generosity makes such a difference for the families going through challenging times. To share a little cheer, we have a special performance from the Whitmer High School Choir just for you. From all of us here at the house, happy holidays and enjoy the music.
Happy holidays.